Python is a great programming language for beginners. It's easy to learn and use, even if you've never coded before. Python is used in many fields, making it a versatile skill to have. Want to build websites or analyze data? Python can do it. Python is used for web development, data science, machine learning, and more. Learning Python opens up many career opportunities. With its growing popularity, Python skills are in high demand across industries. Ready to dive in? Let's explore the exciting world of Python programming. Python syntax is like the grammar of the language. It's a set of rules that tell the computer what to do. Good news! Python syntax is designed to be readable and beginner-friendly. Let's look at a simple example. Python print, hello world. This code will print the text, hello world, on your screen. See how easy that was? The function is used to display output. In this case, it's displaying the text we provided within the parentheses. Remember to enclose text in quotation marks when using the function. This lets Python know you're working with a string of text. Imagine variables as containers for storing information in your program. They're like labeled boxes where you can put data. To create a variable, simply choose a name for it and use the equal sign to assign a value. Python name Alice age =30. We just created two variables, and stores the text Alice and stores the number 30. Now you can use these variables in your code. For example, Python print, my name is name and I am age years old. This code will print, my name is Alice and I am 30 years old. Variables make your code more flexible and reusable. Data types tell Python what kind of information a variable holds. This is important because different data types have different properties and operations. Let's explore some fundamental data types. Integers. Whole numbers without decimals like 10, 25, or -5. Use integers for counting or representing quantities. Strings text enclosed in quotation marks like hello or Python. Use strings for storing and manipulating text. Floats. Numbers with decimal points like 3.14 or -2.5. Use floats for representing values with fractions or decimals. Understanding data types is crucial for writing effective Python code. It ensures that you're working with the right kind of information for your program's logic.